Students, we are discussing statistics chapter. In this chapter, we will discuss more than type of ogive. So what is more than type of ogive? It is a graph between the lower limits and cumulative frequency of a distribution. So it is a graph between the lower limit and the cumulative frequency of a distribution. And we have taken lower limit is taken along x-axis and cumulative frequency is taken along y-axis. So here the lower limit should be taken along x-axis and cumulative frequency should be taken along y-axis, and join all the points by using a smooth curve. Then we will get this type of curve. That curve is called more than type of ogive curve. So here we have to remember that in this cumulative frequency we have to take the lower limit along x-axis and cumulative frequency must be taken along y-axis. Then let us move to the problem. The following table gives the production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Change the distribution to a more than type of distribution and draw its ogive. Here the production in yield is given per hectare. Here 50 to 55 kgs per hectare, only 2 farms, and 55 to 60 8 farms, then 60 to 65 12 farms, 65 to 70 24 farms, 70 to 75 38 farms, 75 to 80 16 farms. So we have to draw more than type of ogive for the given distribution. First let us write this horizontal rows to columns. Production in yield and the number of farms is written. 50 to 55 2, 55 to 60 8, 60 to 65 12, 65 to 70 24, 70 to 75 38, 75 to 80 16. And let us add all these forms, which is nothing but n is equal to 100. So this n is equal to 100 is nothing but the frequency. And here 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 are the lower limits of the class interval. Here we have to prepare more than type of ogive for the given data. So more than type, how to prepare? Here more than 50. Let us take this one. More than 50, 2 forms are there. So here more than 50 means we have to add up to 2 plus 8 plus 12 plus 24 plus 38 plus 60. If you add all this, you will get 100. So more than 50 means the production more than 50 kgs, all these forms will come. That's why we will get 100. Similarly, for this more than type, better let us add from the bottom. Let us add from the bottom. It is very easy to calculate. Let us add from the bottom for more than type of distribution. Okay. Here more than 75. More than 75. Here only. Here more than 75 means 75 to 80. Only 16. Only 16 farmers are there. Next, more than 70. More than 70 means here we have to add 38 and 16. So that's why we add 16 plus 38, which is equal to 54. More than 65 means here more than 65 means here we have to add more than 65 means here we have to add 70 to 75 and also we have to add 75 to 80. So more than 65 means we have to add 24 plus 38 plus 16. So means already we have added 16 plus 38, which is equal to 54. 54 plus 24, which gives us to 78. Similarly, 78 plus 12, which gives us to 90. 90 plus 8, which gives us to 98. 98 plus 2, which gives us to 100. So here more than 50, here 100 farmers are there, 100 farms are there. Here more than 50, here we have to add all this. Next, more than 55 means here 55 to 60, and more than 55 means 65, 70, 75 up to 80. All this we have to add, then you will get 98. So in case of more than type, it is easy to remember. We can add the cumulative frequency from the bottom, or else we can subtract from 100. 100 as it is, 100 minus 2, 98. 98 minus 8 is 90. 90 minus 12, 78. Like this also we can come from the top to bottom. So here 16 as it is, 16 plus 38, 54. 54 plus 24, 78. 78 plus 12, 90. 90 plus 8, 98. 98 plus 2, 100. Now let us take the points, which is nothing but the coordinates. The coordinates are x, y. So in more than type, we have to take the lower limit. So we have to take the lower limit. So your lower limit is nothing but 50. 50 and 100. So we can take the points 50, 100. So 50, 100. Then the next point is 55, 98. 55, 98. Then 60, 99. 60, 99. Then 65, 78. 65, 78. 70, 54. 70, 54. 75, 16. 75 and 16 are the coordinates. Now this upper limit. So sorry, this is the lower limit. This lower limit must be taken along the x-axis, and the cumulative frequency is taken along y-axis. Let us draw the graph. Here 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 are the lower limit of the class interval. So here these are the lower limits. This is the lower limit. So this is the lower limit of the class interval. So lower limit is nothing but which is the production. So which is the lower limit. So the production is taken along x-axis, and the number of farms is taken along y-axis, which is nothing but the cumulative frequency. Okay, let us mark the points. 50, 100. 50, 100. Here it is 50, 100. The next point 55, 98. 55, 98. Then the third point 60, 90. Then the fourth point 65, 78. Then 70, 54. Then 75, 16. Now first you mark the points, then join all the points. Then join all the points by using a smooth curve. If you join all these points, then you will get a smooth curve. So this is called more than type of ogive. Let us move to next problem. Draw more than type of ogive for the given data. So we have to prepare more than type of ogive for the given data. Your marks and number of students are given. So 0 to 10, only 4 students. 10 to 20, 6 students. 20 to 30, 10 students. 30 to 40, 25. 40 to 50, 22. 50 to 60, 18. 60 to 70, 5 students. Totally 90 students are there. N is equal to 90. So we have to prepare more than type of ogive for the given data. So more than means here let us add the frequency. Here more than 10 means here more than 0. So more than 0 means here all frequencies we have to add. Is it not? More than 0 means all students are there, which is equal to 90. So more than 0, which is 90. Like this. More than 10 means So here we have to subtract. So more than 10 means we don't take 10. 0 to 10 marks we don't want. So 90 minus 4, 86. You get like this. Better we will add from the bottom. It is very easy for our calculation. Here 5. Write 5 as it is, the cumulative frequency. Then 5 plus 4, 5 plus 18, which gives rise to 23. Then 23 plus 22 is 45. Then 45 plus 25, 70. Then 70 plus 10, which gives rise to 80. Then 80 plus 6 is 86. Then 86 plus 4, which is 90. So this is cumulative frequency. Here we have to get more than. So more than 0. So here we have to take all this upper limit, we have to take, all this lower limit must be taken as x coordinate. So here all this lower limit coordinates. So this is 0. Then lower limit is 10 comma 86. Then lower limit is 20 comma 80, 30 comma 70, 40 comma 45, then 50 comma 23, then 60 comma 5. So these are the coordinates. So by using these coordinates we have to draw the graph. So we will draw the graph. So here we have to take, for each centimeter we have to take 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Here we have to take x-axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. So along x-axis you have to take 10 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 like this. And along y-axis you have to take 5 units. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 like this up to 90. So this is the cumulative frequency is taken along y-axis and the lower limit is taken along the x-axis. Now the first point is 0, 9, 90. So 0, this is the point, 0, 90. Second point 10, 86. 10, 86. Then 20, 80. 20, 80 is the third point. Then 30, 70. Then 40, 45. Then 50, 23. Then 65. Join all these points. So join all these points by free hand. Then you will get a curve like this. So this type of curve is called more than type of ogive. So this is how we can able to construct, for the given data we can able to construct more than type of ogive.